Good afternoon, dear. In previous lecture, we have discussed about introductory portion of French Revolution. In this, we have discussed what are different incidents happened during French Revolution. Today, at beginning, in your book, it is given how the people assemble at one place 14 July 1789. That was the day when France became republic, like India, 15 August 1947. People assemble in front of Bastille Fort, which was indicator of symbol of Louis XVI, which shows power of Louis XVI, and there were many pigeons kept inside this pot, and out of the people assembled from different areas from countryside and form a people's militia. This word is given in your book at first paragraph. People militia means a such army formed by people to protect nation, to protect freedom, civil army, and 7,000 people approximately assembled and started storming Bastille. Why this happens? This is only trailer given in your book. Why this incident come inside French country? What were different causes behind that? So let's start our lecture on French Revolution. Before starting this chapter, we must be know about what was the structure of French society, how the French citizens were divided into different categories. French people were divided into three categories. First state, second state, and third state. In first state, clergy, those people who concerned with church, they were part of first state. Second state, who cultivated, who has power on land, nobles were part of second state. In third state, craftsmen, peasants, businessmen, traders, small families were come in third state. This was the structure of France. And what was the demerit of this structure? Because most of resources were used by only first two state. Second, they were not pay any type of taxes. 60% total land of France was cultivated by first two state, and they have some privileges power, privileges special rights. Those were not given to third state. and taxes were paid by only third state who has less resources. So this was the structure of French society. Let's start introduction of Louis XVI. Louis XVI was king of France. He married with Austrian prince and later on he was imposed the taxes. What was the process to impose the taxes? He called the meeting of all three states and voting rights given according to the every state, like one state give only one vote, and when such circular pass inside that, third state has refused that. Later on, revolution is started by third state who were majority in population. So let's discuss about what happens at beginning in this chapter. Let's start French Revolution, French society during late 18th century. 1774, a new king, Louis XVI, he was 20 years old and he married with Austrian prince, name was Mary Antoinette, and there was the big challenge in front of him. What was the big challenge? He found empty treasury. Treasury means khajana. Why? Because he provided the financial help to the 13 American colonies because they were come under the Britain, and Britain was common enemy of France like India Pakistan. I'm not saying India Pakistan are common enemy, but most of issues controversy happen with this nation. So sorry for if anyone may be hurt with my this word. Sorry. And later on, when he provided the financial help to the 13 colonies and he has taken the loan from lender, they have started 10% interest in form of loan, and that was the big challenge to start to impose new taxes in front of Louis XVI. Next, see the structure of society. 90% population was in majority. 90% population in French society were peasants and come into the third state. Now, dear, we have discussed about king and what are the challenges in front of king. Let's our next topic, structure of society. We have discussed. In this, society was divided into three states, and most of taxes were paid by only third state. There were some taxes were imposed by church, and taxes list are given in your book. Teli, Tithe, these are the different taxes were paid by third state, and peasants were in 90% population in France. They were in majority, and nobles were cultivated 60% land area of France, and clergy has some privileges power. King has feudal rights. Feudal rights means after birth when anyone have such rights like feudal system. So this was the structure. These were the challenges in front of the society for only third state. And in front of third state, challenges were to pay the taxes, in front of king to impose new taxes. Our next topic is struggle for survival. During that time, France was facing bad harvest challenges, bad climatic condition, crop were failure, and rationing items prices were rise up. So this was the big challenges. Many people they are unable to find job inside France. This was the big challenges and people face lot of struggle problems for survival. So dear, today we have completed two topic French society late 18th century and struggle of survival. Tomorrow we'll discuss our next topic role of philosopher in French society.